Hi guys, in this video we are going to be looking at how we can whiten teeth in Adobe Photoshop. This is Twisted Creative Alignment. My name is If it's your first time on this channel, please do me a favor by hitting that subscribe button. Not only by hitting that subscribe button, also ring that notification bell so that you don't miss any of the next video. Without wasting much time, let's jump into it. This is my Photoshop and this is the model we are using. You can see the teeth is not white, but in order for us to make it white, very white, we have to understand the color that the teeth is having. Like if you look at this teeth now, you notice that it's having a touch of, it's having red and a kind of yellowish, which make up this brownish look. So what we are going to do is for us to just go to adjustment layer and choose hue and saturation. So with this hue and saturation, you notice we have a master here. Then if you click here, you see red, yellow, green, cyan, blue, and magenta. So we are going to be looking at the reds first. For in this red, we are going to take the saturation down, then the lightness up. Like let's say like 52 plus 52 is okay for the red. Let's just leave it like 41. Then you go to the yellow again, you choose yellow here, then you drop the saturation and to like let's say minus 59 is okay. Then the lightness, you take it up, up, like plus 61, it's okay. Then you can close this off, but if you know you can still leave it and have enough room to work with, enough space, you can just leave it. And here we have the layer mask. You have to make sure the layer mask is selected and use your Ctrl-I to invert the layer mask when where the image will become normal. So you pick up your brush tool and make sure your foreground is white and your background is black, and you resize your brush to suit the particular area you want to affect and start painting. As you can see, isn't that amazing? Okay, let's just continue. Let's reduce the size of the brush and do the edges first. So like this, you can see we have the reddish stain removed and the yellowish stain. So that's why you are seeing the complete white teeth. But if you look, if you are seeing that, if you're seeing it as if it's too much, you can see go and reduce the opacity. Let's just finish. Let's get through with this first. So as you can see, the teeth is getting white and it's just so amazing. Okay, look at what's going on here. So this is, I think it's okay like this. Then as you can see it, we have the white teeth. So fast and so simple. So let's see the before and after. We can just zoom in and see before and after. See before, after. If you are seeing it as if it's not that natural, let's just go to opacity and reduce the opacity. So if you reduce the opacity to an extent, you will start seeing the original teeth. Then let's say take it up a bit, like let's say 86 or thereabout. Let's say like let's say 90 is okay. Then if you take a look at it, it's kind of amazing. Amazing. It's a very simple step you can use in whitening your teeth in Adobe Photoshop. If you find this tutorial interesting, helpful, and useful, let us know in the comment section. And you can also give us a like. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button if you've not done that before. And also ring that notification bell so that you don't miss any of the next video. Thanks for watching today's video. Creative Pro, keep on creating. Please stay creative. For now, bye for now. See you in the next video. Bye.